Dumpster rental service in Pikeville, North Carolina. Looking for a reliable dumpster rental service in Pikeville, North Carolina? Dumpster Pro North Carolina is here to help. We provide top-quality, hassle-free dumpster rentals for all your cleanup needs. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, decluttering your space, or managing a construction project, we've got you covered. Our dumpsters are designed to be driveway-friendly, ensuring no damage to your property. We take pride in offering affordable rates with no hidden fees. Our flexible rental periods allow you to work at your own pace. Booking a dumpster with us is quick and easy. Give us a call or visit our website. We deliver on time and pick up promptly when you're done. Our team is professional, reliable, and committed to excellent customer service. We serve both residential and commercial clients across Pikeville. If you need assistance choosing the right dumpster size, we're here to help. We believe in keeping Pikeville clean and making waste disposal stress-free. Let us handle your waste so you can focus on what matters most. Call us today at 984-341-2939 for your dumpster rental needs. No matter the size of your project, we make junk removal simple and stress-free. Choose Dumpster Pro North Carolina, where convenience meets reliability.